I'm Monte Cristo. I'm a senior mechanical engineer. I'm from Wichita, Kansas in high school.
My name is Nadia Kazmars. I am from Chicago, Illinois, and then I am a senior biomedical engineering student.
Roger Nakagawa, mechanical engineer, 5th year, with a math minor from Denver, Colorado.
My name is Griselle Yiniga Fox. I am an admissions counselor here at South Dakota Mines.
I remember the biggest difference at the school when I was touring it.
The moment I stepped foot on campus,
This was definitely the most in-depth tour. I felt like I had the best grasp of what was going on campus.
I saw someone on my campus visit and they waved at me.
And the students actually seemed happy.
And then halfway through the campus visit, I saw them again and they waved again at me and were like, "Oh, you're that person that I saw on the tours."
And liked the whole idea of the school, a little bit smaller and what I was looking for. So
Everyone was saying hi to each other, waving at each other.
look into your degree before you get there. Ask questions about what classes look like.
Ask questions, make sure that you get the tour that you want to have.
Definitely asking about, kind of like what opportunities they have on campus.
And be interactive.
On what resources I had, what professors' helps I was going to get, and things like that.
Time of year, definitely do it.
As early as you want to start looking at colleges.
You have to do it during the time period where school is in session. So I get that it's tempting to be like, oh, well, I have a break and they have a break, so I'm gonna go check it out. Well, sure, on one hand, yeah, I know you're not missing any class. On the other hand, you're gonna miss the entire point of what makes campuses campuses.
So personalized visit is a really good idea to get more of that one-on-one attention if there's questions that you don't quite want to share in front of a large group of people.
As a student, when I came to visit, I really loved that personal visit.
You get just a little more time to really talk to someone in a department and have more of that connection with the student ambassador that's taking you on your tour, and you can ask them their experience on campus.
Specifically with my visit, the ambassador was really honest.
I love the open houses as a tour guide because I get to deal with more people and see more perspectives and things like that.
Having go to Mines, it's really good to see students from other areas that are potentially also interested in coming to school here.
So if you like not being singled out or having to ask too many personal questions or things like that, that group visit is fantastic.
Because you're doing it with so many different people, you get that many more heads asking the same questions that you might not. Or if you're not comfortable asking questions too, understandable, social anxiety, then other people can kind of ask those for you and you get a similar experience.
Come see what makes us different.
Schedule your visit today.
Schedule your visit today.
Schedule your visit today.